Tell her what your deal is.
The wasabi challenge.
No, tell her what it is. It's a wasabi challenge.
This is called the wait, what?
Wasabi.
$5.
Show the camera what you're going to eat. That much wasabi in one bite for $5. I've told him, Mom said don't do it. Everybody said don't do it, but he's going
Except for Auntie Kim who said, do it! Do it!
Don't do it.
Okay,
Okay, go ahead.
I showed the band and turn.
Okay, we will. Go ahead. Okay, go. Go for it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Now do it.
I'm scared. Do it. Plop it in your mouth.
Go. I got it. I got your leaf. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Come on.
We don't have all night.
Come on.
$5.
Five Abrahams. 5 Abrahams.
There you go. It's in there.
Is it?
Swallow.
Swallow. Hey.
No, keep doing it. Oh, he did it. Here we go. Oh.
You lost. Okay, are you done?
It's coming out. No.
I told you, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. We told you.
We should have brought a coaster.
There you go.
Oh, let me see your face. Come on camera.
I am not smarter than a 5th grader.
I'm not smarter than a 5th grader.
Dude, you ate more than I thought you would.
I told you.